Hello, it's Brady, and I'm talking to all you ladies, all you women, and a handful of you men. I've got one simple question for you, ladies. Do you know what men are looking at when they see you, when they meet you? And no, it's not what you think it is. We don't walk up to a person, a woman, and look straight down. We look directly into your eyes, these right here. And if you don't have perfect eyes, if you don't have big magnetic looking eyes just showcased where we can look into your soul and make that connection, then we probably kind of look through you. So today I've got something new that came in the mail right here in this beautiful box that I want to open up and show you exactly what you need to captivate and make that first impression to every person, in particular that man that you meet. One second. Ladies, you'll want this. You will want this right here. This is a beautiful packaging job. But besides the beautiful packing job is what's inside to make you look even more beautiful than you already are. Something that's going to give you that essence, that gives that personality, that makes your face glow, that leaves the impression that every man's looking to see. It's right here. It is right here. All of it right here. If you want to see exactly what's inside this box, I want you to go below, touch that little link. I want you to watch a 14-second video. That's it. And if this does not just take your breath away, I don't know what will. Be the first ones to see what's in this video. Get there now. Look at it. I'll talk to y'all again real soon.